Good evening. Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Fontana Limited has confirmed that it is working towards an initial public offer of shares with the help of its broker, Scotia Investments. In a media release, Fontana's Chief Operating Officer, Ray Terrian, said the company cannot discuss the timing, offer size, or pricing as yet. But he noted that the company will do so when all aspects are in place. The company, which is run by the second generation of the Chang family and their spouses, appears poised for another growth phase as it plans to open a new pharmacy in Kingston. Managing Director of the Regis franchise in the Caribbean, Mark Linehan, says the company's new offices in Kingston isn't just a space to work from. Mr. Linehan says Jamaican businesses will now have a direct link to international clients and business partners. Mr. Linehan was speaking at the opening of Regis's offices on Knutsford Boulevard in Kingston.
Not only can clients access all Regis business lounges across the world, but they're able to register their business on Regis Marketplace, which gives them access to customers across the globe. In addition, with Regis Business Link, clients can exchange services worldwide and connect with other businesses on the Regis network.
In the meantime, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Finance, Favour Williams, says the establishment of Regis in Jamaica is in line with the government's plan to attract investors. Mrs. Williams said Regis its presence will help to facilitate more businesses.
It is a concept that fits in with today's fast-paced, highly mobile business world. But even more so, it is a concept that will allow us to capitalize on the kinds of investments we hope to attract. When investors come in, they can move into an office space immediately to start doing business. That ties in with our ethos as a government.
Regis is a large virtual office company operating from the Panjam building on Knutsford Boulevard in Kingston. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.61. The Canadian dollar closed at $95.66. The pound is going for $162.65, while the euro is being sold for $145.82 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December went up by 94 cents to settle at $51.25 a barrel. The JSE index gained 13,501 points today, while the junior market index lost 6 points. Among the winners were Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Derrimon Trading, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Key Insurance, and Lasco Financial. Now on the losing side were Access Financial, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lasco Distributors, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Portland JSX. And that's the Business Day. I am Herman Green. Good evening.